welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelica Fitzgerald, and today we are going to style this boring hair. So I just got out of the shower and I did nothing to my hair other than blow dry it. So this is its natural flatness and boringness, and we are going to curl it with a wand. Now the wand that I am using specifically today is a brand new wand that I just got about 2 weeks ago. I have been loving curling my hair with it. So the brand that I'm going to be working with today is Foxy. Now I angled it this way because my lights make the logo like disappear. So Foxy. It is an incredible brand. This is the first product I've ever owned by them and I am obsessed with it. So I already took the wand out of the box. It's actually currently heating up as we speak, which is why I'm getting hot and probably gonna sweat throughout this video, because this wand, y'all, it gets up to 440 degrees. That's some heat on your hair. So with that being said, keep in mind that you do not want to burn your hair off. So I would not suggest curling your hair at the maximum heat temperature every single day with this wand. For today's video, I am gonna go ahead and do that, but I also have this heat protectant shield that really helps protect my hair with something this hot on it. So I am just gonna put a note out there and tell y'all that I am not the best wand hair curler on the planet. It's something that I absolutely love the look of. I think it's a little bit more challenging with long hair, which obviously I have. So there's that. And then I don't have that much experience in terms of like doing this for years on end. I kind of just started when I got this one. That is the reason I'm doing this video today, actually, is because I posted a few videos on my Instagram with my hair wanded, and you guys asked what tool I was using and if I could do a tutorial on it. So I don't have any secret tips on how to get the perfect wanded curled hair. I'm just gonna show you guys what I do. Also, for some reason, while I'm wanding my hair, I cannot seem to make the curls look cute, literally until the last minute. So don't be alarmed if you're like, what is she doing? It looks awful right now. Or if you're doing your own hair, like following along with me and it looks like a hot mess, because we'll make it look pretty by the end. So before we get started, I just wanted to highlight some products I used in the shower beforehand so you guys know exactly what I used, and then some products I'm gonna be using during the video to style my hair. So in the shower, I just started using It's a Tens, their new Miracle Whip line. This is their shampoo and conditioner. This one's the conditioner, same exact bottle for the shampoo. I used both of them literally 30 minutes ago in the shower. I absolutely love them. They make my hair feel so incredibly soft and silky and healthy. So I am loving these. And then the product I'm gonna be using to actually hold the curl and style it is my Kerastase medium hold spray. If you have watched any of my hair tutorials in the past, even from like a year ago, you will see that I use this stuff. I've used this stuff faithfully since I was like 15. I love it. It makes my hair look so shiny and healthy, and it really holds any kind of curl that I want it to without looking crunchy. And so it's a great everyday spray. So without further ado, we're gonna get into this curling, and I'm just gonna show you guys how I curl my hair. So here is the curling wand. It is this gorgeous, 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 it's really hot, y'all, I don't want to melt my camera, rose gold titanium wand. I love it. It's like the aesthetic of it is so pretty and pink. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into curling my hair. So again, this is my natural curl, and I probably should wear a glove. I've seen a lot of people wear gloves while they wand their hair. I don't know where to get a glove, so if y'all know, comment that below. That would help me out. So as y'all saw, I wrapped my hair around it, but I didn't flatten it out. So that's one of the main differences between a curling wand and a curling iron, is that the hair, and I just let it go. Looks like that. I also don't spray my wand curls right after I've curled them, because my wand does create tighter curls and I don't want them to stay super tight all day. I want them to loosen up. So as y'all saw, I did not flatten my hair out against the wand. I kept it in like its little bunch. You'll see me do it again for this curl. So it kind of keeps on twisting around the wand. And I think that's like, this cord is like in my way, but I think that's like the main difference in a curling wand and a curling iron in terms of the look, is that your hair is not flattened up against the iron, so it gives a different effect with the curl. And the wand obviously always does like way more beachy waves, way more like loose waves, more casual look, whereas a curling iron, you know, you can compete for Miss USA with a curling iron. So and since I do have the wand set at 430 degrees, I have already sprayed my entire head with the protectant spray, and I am not holding my curls that long because I don't want to fry my hair off. A nice thing with the wand too is that you can just hold the wand at the base of your head and then your hair like comes to it. Whereas with the curling iron, you have to have like long arms because you gotta stretch the curling iron to the end of your hair and then roll it in. So yeah, that's a plus. It takes me so much less time to wand my hair because I think it's a combination of your arms getting tired and you not wanting to hold your hair up like this for forever, and this particular wand getting so hot that I do not need to hold my curls in the wand that long. So the whole entire process is a lot faster. And as you can see, I'm just picking up random chunks around my head. This is a very casual look that I'm doing. This is not how I would style it if I were to use the wand for any type of event that I was going to that, you know, would require like any kind of cocktail dress. This is like, I'm gonna be real with you guys, I'm going to school after this. So this is like, go to school, get some errands done, and just like look like you tried to do something with your hair. And it looks like very effortless and breezy and pretty. So it's really simple. I just pick up pieces all around my head, wrap it around the wand. Be careful, don't touch the wand with your hand or else you will have burn marks. I cannot tell you how many times it took me, and I still every now and then do it, to learn how to not actually burn myself like all the time. So as you can tell, these first ones that I've done, like they look weird right now, just chilling there, all super piecey. So we're gonna brush those out later and make them look pretty. Sorry, this one's kind of in the back of my head, so y'all can't see it that well. Okay, so whilst I'm doing this, now that you guys probably get the hang of it, you're gonna be able to see the curls on this side of my head, like me doing them so much better. I have some very exciting news that I could not wait to share with you guys. I posted it on my Instagram not too long ago, and all of my IG people were so excited. I received the biggest, like, overwhelming, energetic, congratulatory responses, and I'm very blessed, and I am now so excited to share it with my YouTube fam, especially if you guys don't follow me on Instagram. You don't know this yet, but I just booked a job to be a model on season 17 of Project Runway. I know, I'm so excited. I cannot jump around right now because I will fry my hair and my hand off if I do, but I am so excited. I'm going to New York to film. It is gonna be such a blast. Like, I just can't even believe it. It's so rewarding when you finally accomplish something that, you know, you've been working towards for so long. So I'm very excited. I couldn't wait to share that with you guys, even though I know we're doing a hair video. But I found out last night. So I woke up today and I was like, oh my God, it wasn't a dream, like it's real. Ah! So I can't believe it. I'm really excited. And I also plan on filming my entire experience. So I'm gonna film going to New York, as much behind the scenes as I can. Obviously, like on set, I'm gonna have rules of things I can and can't film or take photos of. But the things that I can take photos of and film for you guys, I of course will. Plus I wanna remember like everything. So yeah, I'm so excited. I can't wait to share the whole experience with you guys and this journey. And I feel like I've already done so much of it with you already because I share most of my life online. And like from before all of my successes to after my successes, you guys will have been a part of that. So I'm very excited. I'm very blessed. I think I cried for probably the rest of the evening last night when I found out. just because I was so happy. Oh my god, I can see. I don't know if y'all can see this through the camera, but like when I take a curl out, the steam like flies in front of my face just because this wand is so hot. By the way, we're almost done. Literally, this takes me like 15 minutes to do when I'm not talking to a camera and like trying to not look decent for you guys. This takes me no time. That's another reason I just completely adore it. I just got a haircut too about 2 weeks ago, so my layers are all nice and fresh, and I have a piece of hair stuck to my lip gloss that I cannot move now. Okay, well it's gonna stay there. And I'm so excited. This is actually my first time wanding it with my new layers, so I'm really excited to see how it turns out. I'm sure it's gonna be great. I love layers. It's so much easier to handle. And again, if you are someone that likes to spray each individual strand of hair with the heat protectant beforehand, just make sure you don't forget, because honestly, the temperature that I have the curling iron set at right now is very damaging to your hair. So it's gonna strip it of a lot of good nutrients, it's gonna damage the color, it's gonna damage the ends. It's like, why are we doing it? Well, because we want to, that's why. But even though we want to, we shouldn't always do it. So if you are gonna put it, really any heat is damaging to your hair, but if you're gonna put it at this aggressive of a temperature, you have to use the heat protecting spray, because you don't want to not have any hair left by the time you're 30 because you fried it every day and didn't protect it. So this stuff smells really good too, so a little bonus in there. I have one curl left, y'all. This is like the fastest ever. So what I normally do now is just go check, because every now and then there might be a straggler that didn't really get a good curl, but I honestly think I got everything pretty well today. Yeah, so I'm gonna flip my hair upside down, which I don't have enough space to do that here, so I'm just gonna like go over there and do it, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I went off camera, shook my head. These turned out really well. It's very full bodied actually. This is like bigger and fluffier than I'm used to it being. But just kind of like tassel it around and make sure it all lands where you want it to before you spray it. Which for me, the most challenging spot is always like the little bang area, like getting it to fall the way I want it to. So I'm just gonna take my Kerastase and just spray it. Mirror back here, so I hope I get the hairs kind of all over the place. And I like to like tassel my hair a little bit back and forth, just so like different angles of the curl get hit with spray. But I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. I am confident in going to school looking like this. So that is it for my wanding your hair tutorial and video. It was so simple. The power of wanding your hair and skill set you need to know to wand your hair is not that high. I'm gonna not even try to make it sound that cool. It's pretty simple, luckily, because I know us girls are always trying to find the simplest, quickest ways to look great. And I definitely love the way this wand, it's quick, it's simple, makes my hair look great for the whole day. This always lasts me the entire day as well. It actually usually will lead into like another day if I want it to, especially using my Kerastase spray. So I will link all of the products that I used and that I mentioned in this video below. The wand, the heat protecting spray, the hairspray, and then the It's a 10 products that I've been using faithfully in the shower. I will also attach Foxy Bay's website so you can check out their other products. They have a ton of great other heat products. They have flat irons, they have, I don't know what you call it, but it's the brush that is like it gets hot just like a straightener, and if you like brush your hair, it straightens your hair nicely. So many great products, great price, fantastic quality as well. I will be shopping for more of their heated products as well because I love what it does to my hair. Also, lastly, for you guys being so amazing and supporting me, I was able to work out a little promotional code for you guys to use on any and all of Foxy Bay's products. So if you use the code Foxy Angelica, you will get 60% off of your entire order. So I am gonna link that below so you guys can get that nice discount. If you did enjoy this video, please hit that thumbs up button and make sure to hit that subscribe button below to keep up with my posts in the future. other than that, I hope you guys have such a fabulous day, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.